How to use control rules. Drag and drop in control, for example, a button. Now you can see the properties of your button. And now we can add a rule to the properties by click on this button. For example, for the property visibility, we want to add a rule by click on the plus button. And we need a condition. We want if our variable var1 has the value 5, our button is visible by setting the visibility property on true. If the value of our variable is not 5, we want to set the visibility property to false. For that, we need another rule and just set the value to false. If you are done, hit the save button.